Hey folks, 30-second update. I want to remind people, it was reported to me through users that people have been encountering errors when they replace uh, speed bleeders for their standard bleeders on the bike. I spoke with my mechanic son, and he is a certified ASE guy, and he reminded me that it's not an issue with me because I do have buds. I apologize for that because I tend to assume that my other owners have it, and it's not. It's not cheap, and it's a very expensive tool to renew. So it's something that you want to invest in on your own, and I'm not going to make a recommendation on that. So, but in terms of changing over to speed bleeders, simply do the outlying wheels. Do left, right, and the rear wheel. Do not do the ABS, the 10 millimeter one, because if you crack that and change pressure differentials in it, it can cause an error in the low pressure switch system. And my son, the certified mechanic, I apologize for Skittles, my son, the certified mechanic, said, yes, avoid that. I have buds, so I'm able to immediately plug it in. And honestly, if you go to a dealer, because I've done this, I paid them $40. They plugged in buds. They ran what was called the ABS self-test, and that actually does a bleed on the system, and it has a way of venting the bleed because it's done at a very high speed. And then it stages through all the self-tests it performs on the brake system and the entire VSS system at the same time, runs for about 5 minutes, and it's done. So dealers shouldn't charge you more than a quarter hour. And if they're not breaking down to a quarter hour, I'm sorry for that kind of move. If you want to pay the half, I guess, but shop rates are getting up there, and be mindful of that. And lastly, but he did validate, don't pull the bleeder. The chamber on the frontmost part of the master cylinder is for your rear brake and the ABS system itself, the VSS. It does use components of the brake system to control the braking, keep you stable, and of course enforce ABS policy. So avoid that bleeder altogether. Again, I have buds, I can access it, so disregard if you do not wish to run into this and can't access buds or don't want to cause an error in the system. Just do your outlying rims. And I have more information in the detailed review following. I'm attaching that to this video. I feel it's fair warning to people, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. Thanks. Have a nice night. And I will launch this separately because I know this was a rather hot topic with me, and I want to provide the update. Thank you. Peace.